are tough and you need to replenish your body after you're sweating a little bit with protein, carbohydrates, and fluid. As a busy mom of 2 that works outside of the home, I love to share some dietitian picks that are great for on-the-go post-workout fuel. First one, chocolate milk. Really great combination of protein, carbohydrates, and fat to replenish those muscles after working hard. 2, a yogurt parfait. Plain Greek yogurt or vanilla Greek yogurt topped with some berries and a handful of almonds. Perfect thing to throw in some Tupperware and off you go. Third one, a post-workout recovery smoothie. Number 3 is one of my favorites, and it's my go-to for my early morning workouts. So what's an easy post-workout smoothie option or just a great smoothie option overall? Should we show them? Yeah, okay, so we start off with bananas. We like them a little ripe, but you can also put them in the freezer so you don't have to use as much ice. Okay, let's keep going. We also throw in some hemp seeds for great protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. A little sprinkle of cinnamon, some full-fat Greek yogurt, and we like the plain stuff, so there's no added sugar. We also use Fairlife milk, which is lactose-free and nice for people who can't digest milk very well. Let's get the peanut butter. It's our favorite part, right? We add in peanut butter or almond butter, and this one is empty, so we definitely need to buy some more peanut butter. And then last but not least, what do we throw in? What's this? We throw in spinach for some extra vitamin K, some extra nutrition, and to get some greens in our diet, right? Woo! Are you gonna throw in some spinach this morning? Yeah. So smoothies are an easy way to get some extra protein in when you're on the go, when you have some little ones at home, or you just need something quick. Cheers!